Did you know that lead service lines can pose serious risks to your health and safety? Homes in Pittsburgh, especially those built before 1950, may still rely on outdated lead pipes. Over time, these pipes can corrode, leaching harmful lead particles into your drinking water. Even small amounts of lead exposure can have dangerous effects, especially for children, causing developmental delays, learning difficulties, and other long-term health issues. At Night and Day Plumbing and Drain, we understand the urgency of addressing this hidden danger. That's why we've developed our lead service line replacement program to help protect your home and family. Our team of experts will inspect, replace, and test your water lines to ensure they're lead-free and completely safe. We handle everything with care, precision, and transparent pricing, so you can trust your home is in good hands. Don't risk your family's health. Take action today. Call us at +4288-PLUM or book an appointment online at kndplumbing.com. Night and Day Plumbing and Drain, keeping Pittsburgh homes safe and lead-free, day or night.